Hey, how's it going tonight? Sorry it's been a while. It's been kind of busy around the house. But anyway, this is going to be another Dutch pour. This will be two out of the four that I have to do for the wife. But this one, I'm using Artist Loft's light blue, Creative Inspirations phthalo blue, Master Touches lake blue, and then for metallic, I used the Extreme Sheen Sapphire by DecoArt. So hopefully this comes out pretty good. But anyway, I'm gonna fast forward it a little bit. I'll come back later. Again, my paints are 2-to-1 ratio, Floetrol to paint. So even the white base is mixed exactly the same as the colors, so shouldn't be a problem. But anyway, so here we go. I'll probably finish doing the paint out and then I'll blow it out. So I'll be back after I get done blowing it out. And this part right here, I'm just adding a little bit of the sapphire metallic here and there because I didn't want to overdo it, just in case it overtook it. So here we are, going to blow it out. Alright, so I'm back. So, as you can tell, I blew out the paint a little bit off camera, and I'll continue doing that. Try to speed this up just because, I mean, it is just blowing the paint out. I'm adding some of the colors on the outer edges of the paint just to, I don't know, give it a darker contrast or not so much of a washout, if you know what I mean. But I'm just trying to get away from a lot of the negative space. And for the most part, I do enjoy this one. Again, I've had more fails than success on Dutch pours, but I'm getting better at it. So I will bring you down for a closer look here in a second. And it is the dried result. It does look better in my opinion once it's been dried. So here that is. You can't really see the metallic, but I mean, it's hard to do with the lighting. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And hope you all are taking care out there. Have a good one. Thanks.